Hey everybody, welcome in. This is Sunbonkreations. How are you guys doing this morning? Well, I didn't have to go to the job, but I'm still up early. My sleep pattern has been interrupted by this job. But this is a tune-in fork. But welcome in, welcome in. I'm not going live. I'm just doing a regular video. This is tuned to 432 hertz. This is a clearing that clears some of the let's just say static energy that might have gotten on these beads over a period of time, and calming, relaxing, loving, peaceful, and cleansing. So you just tap it and just run it over your beads like this. I know you can't hear it, but I can hear it. I cleanse the beads. I'm out of sage. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. Picking up the vibration of the beads and making the beads a little bit, clearing the beads. This is what I do before I send out any of my product. I cleanse the product. Whether it be with, depending on what the product is. Sometimes you could use a damp alcohol or whatever, or sage. Many hands have touched these beads. Now these are some that I hand painted back here earlier in the summer, and I've been making bracelets, but I haven't put them on the market. Well, I did put some on the market, then they got lost in the mail. But anyway, we're going to make this work just like this here. One more time. Peaceful and relaxing. Thank you guys for sharing that beautiful, energetic moment with me. Let's get into the video. Sunbonkreations. Trying to get all my egos together. Not my egos, but yeah, all the egos together. But I love this bead. Hand painted. So what I'm doing now is breaking up my hand painted beads. I got them on these skewers, and in turn, and I laid out a pattern. But I'm using a big gold bead like this to break up the patterns. So, but basically what I'm doing is taking them off the skewers. They kind of stuck, because they've been on these skewers for all summer. I didn't think to, so I just used my scissors to break the point where they kind of stuck together. But welcome in, welcome in. So I'm getting ready to put things in order. You can't move until you got things in order. At least I can't. And I need to pick up some more of this. I only got one of these, and that's getting low. But when I tell you, this body of mine is sore from all that bending, reaching, and what I do is on a part-time job, I signed up for early a.m. stocking. Some mornings I have to be there at 3 a.m. And I told them I didn't want to work past 11 o'clock if, possible. But now I see they trying to ease me up to 1 o'clock. No. I don't want to deal with the public like that. I don't want to deal with too many people. I just rather go in and do the stock and come on back home. That's what I signed up for. Not that I have anything against the public. I worked the public arena all my life. I don't want to do that no more. I got a taste of it yesterday. They had me scheduled leaving at 12 o'clock, and I couldn't even stop for all the interruptions. You know, I don't mind helping people, but I couldn't get the job done yesterday. Well, I guess that's part of the job too, so who knows. I got to come back to this one. It's kind of stuck. I got to see if I can get my son to get this one off for me. But these are some more that I did. Guys, when you come across the video, I said I was going to stop saying guys too. I'm trying to make this video as real as possible. So, sorry about the guy thing. But when you come across the videos and show some love, you know, tap in and show some love to the channel. Hit the like button, make a comment. You know, YouTube fickle now with this AI. You gotta talk to the AI. You know, help the channel out. I'm back making the videos. I had to take a hiatus because, kind of like I said, I kind of got tired of YouTube. Social media, really. And then I know if you're out here trying to sell these products, you gotta stay afloat. And these are some that I painted also. See, when I do my beads, I do my beads a different way. I literally just hold these beads in my hand or put them on the skewer and just use little tiny strokes to get these little preferred designs. Because I'm not an artist at all. That didn't come in my program. But they really turned out well. I'll show you a couple of the bracelets that I did. I'm just putting them all in this. I got to clear up some space, but I have more space when my son moves out the end of the month. Well, the end of November. That room he's in, I'm turning it into like a gallery where I put all of my designs in there on tables across. And I'll move my, this is my computer room that I'm in now. And I just set up my beads in here. So I could do a lot, you know, with that space. Plus I sell on Facebook too. And I got some home goods and some clothing and things that I could be selling also on Facebook. So, there's a lot of platforms. Depop, Big Cartel. Anybody, if you haven't heard of Big Cartel, check out Big Cartel. I don't think the monthly fee isn't that expensive. I tapped into it, and a lot of people sell on there. A lot of their handmade products. And these are some I did too. I don't know if I'm gonna. I might have to put another coat over these once I put them in there. You know, make the bracelet. And I think most of these are going to make just maybe one bracelet, which is fine. Because I'm not going to do any more of these, you know, these glittery beads. There was a lot of effort when I made these beads. Some glitter falling out, but not a lot. Well, what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comment if you're still working. And I see where my bead man had a sale. He and his father had went to some antique. They go to antique shows. They go to these estate sales where they pick up a lot of old beads, guys. Oh, I didn't realize the older beads like that were so popular. I'm going to show you some that I bought from him before and I never used, but I think I'm going to use them in some of these designs. I have 6 and I think they'll blend in well. They're different. They're beautiful beads. These beads are back from the 1930s. You know, everything takes time, guys. I hope I'll be able to get in there and get the beads that I need. I'm sure I will. I got these little things from the Dollar Tree. And I got up this morning and I'm like, what is my son? I forgot. I was feeling heat. I'm like, why is it so warm in here? The sun and turn the freaking heat on. I said, oh no. I don't turn my heat on until it get frosty. That's another stuck one I got to figure out how to get it off. And these are some yellow ones I did. And these gonna be some cute little bracelets. So the center of attention, what I'm doing is using the gold bead as a focal bead. But I'm trying to, you know, get back in here with these beads. And I did this in the navy and that army, not army, but the grass green, beautiful green. These probably be all one bracelet. I only did like one skewer of these. I was trying something different. So pretty much I'm just cutting in the in between the bead to get them off the skewer. And when I finish this, I'm going to show you some designs that you can make with my hand painted beads or with any hand painted beads. Yeah, I got to get my watch hours up too. That's kind of stuck, so I got to figure out how to get rid of this, that, get it off. So I did some blue glitter and green glitter, and actually they just blending in. You can even really tell the glitter from the other. So we 13 minutes in here. But like I said, guys, hit the like and share and come on in and see what I'm getting ready to do with this, and subscribe. And I've noticed I've been getting some real-time subscribers. Thank you. I go back and look at my analytics, however you pronounce it, and they've gone up a little bit also. So some people are enjoying what I do, or trying to help a sister out. Appreciate it. But sometimes we could be our own worst enemy, can't we? Oh, that's a beautiful mixture of beads. And these are some too. I'm mixing everything in there except for that. I love this. This is definitely a focal. I wanted to do some earrings, but the earrings, I guess I couldn't get the earrings properly correct. This is just a lavender. So, let me show you a couple of these beautiful antique beads. These are from 1930s era. I've already Googled and found these. I showed these before. These are classic, beautiful beads. So I'm going to incorporate them maybe into some of my hand-painted beads. Antique and hand-painted. But these are some of the designs that I was able to pull out with my hand-painted beads. They're beautiful. And I was able to put the elephant on the back for good luck. The pink one I've been wearing, that is mine. They're beautiful. And I love the way my angel wings stands up on these. Yeah, the spirit was saying, use the angel wings, do the angel wings. Isn't that gorgeous? And I just mixed in different gemstone beads with it. And this one I got a lot of compliments on. And the wing stands up like that. Beautiful designs. But anyway, I'll be back to begin to make some bracelets on the next video. I got to get this pumping, get it going. Thank you guys, and we'll catch you later. Peace.